Hey guys, I'm Derek. Work with Red Ladder Roofing. We got called out here to this property a couple of days ago. They said that they had reports of a pretty bad hailstorm. The homeowner here is actually a customer that's used us before. Fortunate enough to have him call us back out. First off, talked to the homeowner, asked if he noticed anything visible that he could see. He pointed out a few things and just let him know that we'd be walking the property and working our way from the ground up to take a look at the roof. I started just taking pictures of all the faces of the home to make sure I got everything, and then I just zeroed in on one face at a time. Right off the get-go, we got here and noticed that the customer had damage to their soffit, big chunks taken out of it from hail impacts, as well as damage to the screens. They're tore and bent in. Then we also looked at the beads of the windows, about 3 of their windows, if there was some broken beads. That'll need to be replaced. We worked our way to the top of the roof and noticed that multiple hail impacts throughout the roof. The ridges were pretty tore up. Actually, going to talk to the homeowner about possibly putting some tarps up there. Once we kind of got a general overview and pictures of all the faces of the roof, we zeroed in on a 10 by 10 square, which is the test that the insurance company uses. 5 to 10 hits per this 10 by 10 square. When we're looking at the hail impact, they're really noticeable. Usually they're blotchy around the area. They're black on the center, and around the outsides, the granules kind of loosen up. It's damage to the shingle. It's damage to the structure of the shingle, which could lead to leaks further down the road. Just standing on the ground looking at your roof isn't a good way to tell if your roof's got hail damage or not. So get someone out to come out, get on the roof, actually take a look, that knows what they're doing. Reach out to Red Ladder Roofing today. You give us a call. We'll come out and gladly do this for free and give you an honest opinion. Thank you.